Good morning, students. Some example problems. Additive identity. The null matrix or zero matrix is the identity for the matrix addition. A plus zero matrix plus A equal to A. Then O is the zero. O is the additive identity of the matrix A. Similarly, additive inverse. This is one more concept. Very important one more concept. If A be any given matrix, minus A is the additive inverse of A. A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. Now, previous area, example 6.5, find the values of the matrix. Find the values of A, B, C from the following matrix equation. This is given. Now, I already told you the process there, and it is possible when both are same order. The 2 plus 2, here 2 plus 2. Adding both. B plus 3, here 8 plus A, here 3B minus 2, here A minus 4. Am I correct? Equal to here 2 plus 0, 2, 2A plus 1, B minus 5, here 4C plus 0, 4C plus 3. Now equating corresponding element. D plus 3 equal to D equal to 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. This is the first answer. Again, 8A plus 8 plus A equal to 2A plus 1. We want A, no? A minus 2A equal to 1 minus A. Subtract both. Minus A equal to minus 7. A equal to 7. Next, 3B minus 2 equal to B minus 2. 3B minus B equal to minus 5 plus 2. 2B equal to minus B. B equal to minus 3B. Last one. A minus 4 equal to 4C. A is what? 7. 7 minus 4C. C equal to 4C equal to 3. C equal to 3 by 7. 4 3 by 4. In this way you find A, B, C, D. We get the answer? A equal to, first answer is A equal to 7. C equal to, B equal to minus 3 by 2. C equal to 3 by 4. D equal to minus 1. That's all. Very simple concept. Equating the corresponding elements, we get the answer one by one. That's all. Next question, here comes 3.64. A matrix, B matrix is given. What is asking? 4A minus 3B is asking. Now start with 4A minus 3B. 4 into write the A matrix. Minus 3 into write the B matrix. Now, outside the bracket 4 is there. That's why multiply by 4. All elements are multiplied by 4. 4 5 are 20. 4 4 are 16. 4 into minus 2, minus 6. Again, 4 into 1 by 2, cancel 2 times. 4 into 3 by 4. 4 into 3 by 4, 4 cancel 3. 4 into root 2, 4 into 20. Next step, 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. 4 plus are 16. Again, in between minus in order mean put plus. Now, all elements are multiplied by minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 7, 22. Then minus plus 3 7 22. Minus 3 into 4, minus 4. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 into 1 by 4, minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 into 7 by 2, minus 21 by 2. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9. Last one. Minus 3 into 5, minus 15. Minus 3 into minus 6, minus into plus 3 6 are 18. Minus 3 into 10, minus 1. In this way, you want to multiply. Now, adding the corresponding, we get the answer. The first one is what? 20 plus 21. Next, 16 minus 12. Last, minus 8 plus 9. Next, 2 minus 3 by 4. Next, 3 minus 21 by 2. Next, 4 root 2 minus 9. Last row, 4 minus 15. 36 plus 18. Next, 60 minus 44. Now simplify, that is the answer. Now here 41, 20 plus 21, 41. 16 minus 12, that is 4. Here 9 minus 8, that is 1. Here 4 is LCM. 4 to solve 8. 8 minus 3, 5 by 4. Alright, take LCM, that's where 8 by 4. The 2 is LCM. 2 3 are 6. 6 minus 21 minus 15. Here this is root number. Here is the root number. These two numbers are not like numbers. That's why surprise is not possible. Therefore, your answer is 4 root 2 minus 9. Last one here, minus 12. Here, 54. Last one, minus 12. In this way, you want to simplify one by one, equating the corresponding equating, not equating, adding all the corresponding elements. We get the answer 41, 4, 1, 5 by 4, minus 15 by 2, 4 root 2 minus 9, minus 11, 54, minus 11. That is the answer. This is about 2 more percent. Only multiply, then adding the sum. Next question, exam 6.6. If A equal to 1 3 cross 3 matrix, B also 3 cross 3 matrix, C also 3 cross 3 matrix. Now, all are 3 cross 3 matrix, that's why addition, subtraction is possible. Am I correct? When addition, subtraction is possible, when the given two matrices are the same order, that's very important. Now, first question, 3A plus 2B minus C is asking. 3A plus 2B minus C is asking, no? The first 2 into, the first matrix is what? 1, 8, 3, 3, 5, 0, 8, 7, 6. Plus 2 into the second matrix, B matrix 8 minus 6 minus 4, 2, 11 minus 3, 0, 1, 5. The last one is what? Plus minus C matrix is what? 5, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 7, 2, 1, 4, 3. Now, the first matrix is multiplied with 3, no? 3 into A. That's why 3 into A. All elements are multiplied with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 into 0, 0. 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 3 6s are 18. Now, the second matrix is multiplied with, 2 8s are 16, 2 into minus 6, that is minus 12, 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 11, 22, 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 5, 10. Now, in between minus we put plus, a known number, that is 1 actually. You want to multiply this minus 1, because known number is 1, but we need here minus, that's why this minus multiply to all elements, change the sign, minus 5, minus 3, 0, plus 1, plus 7, minus 4, minus 1, minus 4, 3. Am I right? Now, here 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix. Now, adding all the corresponding elements, we get the answer. That's all. Equal to, the first one is what? 3 plus 16 plus minus 5. Am I right? 3, 16, minus 5. Next element, 24. Next, minus 12. Last, minus 3. Last, third element, 9, minus 8, plus 0. Next, 9 plus 4 plus 1. 9 plus 4 plus 1. Am I right? 15 plus 22 plus 7. Next, 0, minus 6, minus 2. Next, 24 plus 0 plus 1. Minus 1. Last one. 21 plus 2 minus 4. Last one. 18 plus 10 minus 2. Now, add the corresponding element. 19 minus 5, that is 14. Here, 24 minus 1, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Here, 9 minus 8, 1. Here 10 plus 4 14. Here 29 39 44. Here minus 8. Here 24 minus 1 23. Here 23 minus 4 19. Here 28 minus 5 48. In this way you want to find simplify, we get the answer. We get the answer 14 9 1 14 44 minus 8 23 19 25. Anyway, you want to multiply and add it. The outside bracket minus means this minus is multiplied to all elements. That's very important. That's all. Now, exam 6.6 second subdivision. The same A, B, C given. What is asking? 1 by 2 into A minus 3 by 2 B is asking. Now write the question. 1 by 2 A minus 3 by 2 B. Here, to avoid the fraction, in both the terms are having denominator 2. That's 1 by 2 is common. Take it outside. Remainder A minus 3B. 1 by 2 into A minus 3B, you know. A is what? 1, 8, 3, 3, 5, 0, 8, 7, 6. Minus 3 into B matrix. B is what? 8 minus 6 minus 4. Here 2, 11 minus 3, 0, 1, 5. Also 5. Now again, 1 by 2 into the first part is what? 1, 8, 3, 3, 5, 0, 8, 7, 6. Right there? First part. Already told you plus sign. Now all elements are multiplied with minus 3. Minus 3 into 8, minus 24. Minus 3 into minus 6, that is 18. Minus 3 into minus 4, that is 12. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. Minus 3 into 11, minus 33. Minus 3 into minus 3, plus 9. Minus 3 into 0, 0. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Minus 3 into 5, minus 15. Close the bracket. The whole bracket is important. 1 by 2 is common to both. That's important. Now, 1 by 2 into, now the corresponding elements should be added. Am I right? Okay, 1 minus 24, that is minus 23. 8 plus 88, 26. 3 plus 12, that is 15. 3 minus 6, that is minus 3. 5 minus 33, that is minus 28. 0 plus 9, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. 7 minus 3, that is 4. 6 minus 15, minus 9. In this way, you want to subtract 1 by 1 or add 1 by 1. You get the answer 1 by 2 into minus 23, 26, 15, minus 3, minus 28, 9, 8, 4, minus 9. But the book answer is all the numbers are divided by 2, no? Minus 23 by 2. Am I right? 26 by 2 is what? 13. 15 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Here minus 28 by 2 is what? Minus 14. 9 by 2. Here 8 by 2 is what? 4. 4 by 2 is what? 2. Minus 9. This is the correct. That's all. This is also 2 more question. In algebra, this is the last axis concept. You have 20 axis for algebra. 20th axis only one order. The 19th axis concept. Multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Already you know addition and subtraction of the two matrices. What I told you? Addition and subtraction is possible when both the matrices get the same order. The division of two matrices is not defined actually. Not defined actually. That's why we have only multiplication of two matrices, addition of two matrices, multiplication of two matrices. The division of two matrices, no, not involved here. Not possible. Not defined. Now, the product of AB can found if the number of columns of a matrix is A equal to number of rows of the matrix B. Suppose two matrices are there. A matrix, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2 plus 2. Okay? So B is what? There 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is like 2 plus 3. Am I right? A is about 2 plus 2. B is about 2 plus 3. 2 row, 3 column. Now product of AB is possible when column of the first matrix. The row is the column. This is a column. 2 column, second column, 2 column. The row of the second matrix is what E2. This will be equal meaning you want to multiply or multiplication is possible or multiplication divide. You get the order 2 cross 3 order. That's important. Suppose a product of A into B asking me is possible, we get the order 2 cross 3. Suppose the product of B and A asking, suppose B into A. Again, B is upon is what? 2 cross 3. A is on is what? 2 cross 2. Now, think yourself, row column of the first matrix is equal to not equal to row of the first second matrix. Column of the row column in first matrix, column of the matrix. Second one is what? Row of the matrix. This will be equal mean multiplication is possible. Otherwise, not defined or not possible. But this type of matrix given me product of AB is possible, but BA is not possible. That's why the matrix multiplication is not commutative. AB not equal to BA. In order multiplication, both are same. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Both are equal. That means the commutative property is okay. But in matrices, the order may be changed. That's why the product of AB or BA are not equal. That's important. That's not commutative. Then matrices, multiplication is associative. That means what? A with B, then C, BC with A, both are same. Then this is distributive law. A plus B into C is just multiply. A into C plus B into C. A into B plus C equal to A into B into A into C plus A. With IA equal to E. These are equal because I is unit matrix. 1 0 0 1. That's why this will be equal. But this is an important concept. Our important concept AB and BA asking me definitely not equal. But AB with C, here ABC. Am I correct? But the bracket only change. This is called associative property. This will be equal. This is not equal. This is equal. That's very important concept. Now the last exercise, very important concept. 5 more questions because multiplication is involving. This is not just in the ordinary multiplication. This special multiplication. Matrix multiplication is somewhat different. That's why important concept for this exercise only matrix multiplication. Very first step, you will consider first matrix and second matrix. AB asking me, you will consider first matrix column, second matrix row. This will be equal mean multiplication is possible. Otherwise, multiplication is not possible. AB is not defined, not possible. That is the answer. That's all. Only single line. The question is sometimes find AB and BA if they exist. That is what? If it is possible, you want to multiply. That is the meaning. Sometimes AB is possible, multiply. You get the answer. BA not possible. That is what? Not possible. That is the answer. By using this idea, another problem. Now example 3.67. A matrix given, B matrix given. Am I right? To find AB, that's all. AB only asking. Now, first what is given? What is given? A equal to 1 2 0 3 1 5. What is the order? 2 plus 3. 2 row, 3 column. 2 plus 3. Am I right? B is what? 8 3 1 2 4 1 5 3 1. R is what? B plus 3. Therefore, order of AB. A's order is what? 2 plus 3. Am I correct? Therefore, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. First, what is the AB asking? That's why he comes to A first 2 plus 3. B minus R is what? 3 plus 3. Now, what I told you? In first one is A, consider column. Column is what? Is 3. Then, in second one is B, consider row. product of the two matrices is possible when column of the first matrix is equal to row of the second matrix. 3. B is equal no. 3 cancel. We get the answer 2 cross 3. Part of A is 2 cross 3. You want to multiply A with B, we get the order 2 cross 3 matrix. Am I right? Suppose not equal mean immediately write the answer. The order of B A is not found out. That means what? The product of A with B. A into B is not divided. That is the answer. Suppose for example, A given B given. Find A B is asking. Suppose first you consider the order. First matrix with second matrix. That's why automatically column of the first matrix and row of second matrix will be equally. Multiply is possible. We get the answer 2 cross 3. After multiplication, 2 cross 3 will come out. Suppose the same problem BA is asking. Suppose BA. Find the AB, no? Insert AB, BA is asking. The B is of order is what? What is what? 3 cross 3. A is order is what? 2 cross 3. Here B asking, no? First matrix B. The row column of the first matrix not equal to row of the second matrix. Therefore, BA is not divided, but not possible to multiply B with A. That's very important. In this way, you want to check yourself. That's very important. First matrix, A matrix 2 cross 3 order. B matrix 3 cross 3 matrix. Now, the product of AB is possible when column of the first matrix equal to row of the second matrix. Always row column RC. That's very important. First will represent row. Second will represent column. Row is what? First row. Second row. But column is what? 1, 2, 3. In this way you want to find out. Here also 3 rows, 3 columns. That's why AB, product of AB. The AB is asking us AB. A having column 3. B having row 3 will be equal. 3 cancel. The remaining number is what? 2 plus 3. That is the order of AB. Now find the product is possible, no? Product is possible. That's why I find AB. What is A? 1, 2, 0, 3, 5, 5. 3, 1, 5. Now, 8, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, 3, 1. In this way, first multiply, write the A matrix, B matrix. Now, here, addition means the corresponding elements should be added, no? But here 1 time multiply, not like that. With special case, actually, consider first row, first column. First row, first column. Consider first row, first column. First row. Am I right? Remaining, this will be removed. Here, we will consider first row, first column B. This is the first row, this is the first column. Am I right? This is the first row, 1 to 0. The first column, and it will RC, no? Row, column. First row with the first column, the corresponding elements should be multiplied and added. What is the first element? 1. Okay, what is the first element? 8. 1 8 are 8. Next, what is the next element? 2. Okay, what is the next element? 2. 2 are 4. Plus 5 into 0 into 5. Third element. Cancel first element. First element. Second with second. Third with third. That is what? Just like 7. 7. This way, 7. Am I right? The first element 1, 2, 0. Am I right? Here, 8, 2, 5. Multiplication means 1 days are 8, 2s are 4, 0 5s are 0. In this way, you want to multiply and add. This is called matrix multiplication. Not like the addition and subtraction. That's very important concept. Here, consider first row, first column. In first row, 3 elements. Here, column also 3 elements. First element with first element multiply. Next with the next multiply. 0 with 5. Third element with third element. 5, 10. Added we get answer. Next, first row with the second column. Remove this one. Which one? This also cancel. This also cancel. Then always this one. Right. This also cancel. This also cancel. What is the answer? 1 3s are 3. 2 4s are 8. 0 3s are 3. 0. Next, close this one. First row, third column. Next is what? second row, okay, second row 315 with first column, 315 with second column, 3515 with third column. In this way, you want to multiply 100 to get the answer. Very important concept for this one. Mind it. First row, first column, the remaining element should be removed. That's important. Very important. First row, first column. Next, first row, second column, the first last cancel only 1 to 0, 3, 4. Next, 1 to 0, 1, 1, 1. In this way, you want to multiply. Now, first row, first column, 1 8 are 8 plus 2 2 are 4, 0 into 5, 0. First row, first row, second column, 1 3 are 3, 2 4 are 8, 0 3 are 0. Last one, 1 1 are 1 plus 2 1 are 2 plus 0. This is very important concept there. Multiplication of two matrices, not like addition or subtraction. In this way, you want to multiply and add. Simple concept. 7. Seventh sense. In this way, 7 is what? 7. First row to first column, first row to second column, first row to third column. Similarly, second row to first column, second row to second column, second row to third column. The second row with the third column is here 3 elements, there are also 3 elements. First element with first element, second with second, third with third. In this way, multiply and add. Now, second row with first column, 3 with 3 8s are 24, 1 2s are 2, 5 5s are 25. Next, 3 3s are 9. Here the first row over. Next element, that's what. 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 5 5s are 15. Last one. 3 1s are 3, 1 1s are 1, 5. Now one there. Here. 51. Here. 11. Here. 28. Here. 3. Here. 9. The same question, suppose BA is asking me, the product of BA is not possible. Suppose asking me. They are not asking, but 12, 11, 3, 51, 29 is the answer. This is important concept for you. Multiplication, this is the idea. That's all. Now question is 3.68, A, B given. Find A, B and B is asking. Verify that this will be equal or not. Now A is what? 2, 1, 1, 3. 2 plus 2 minutes, correct? B is what? 2, 0, 1, 3. These are 2 plus 2 minutes. Then AB is of order 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Am I correct? 2 plus 2. This is A, 2 plus 2. So automatically, column of the first matrix is equal to row of second matrix is equal. That's why multiply is possible and get the 2 plus 2. Am I correct? The BA is of order, the same thing. First B, B is 2 cross 2, A is 2 cross 2. Here also, column of the first matrix equal row of the second matrix, we get the order 2 cross 2. Now, here, product of AB is possible, we get the answer 2 cross 2. BA also possible 2 cross 2. So both multiplies is possible here. In this question, AB only possible. BA is not possible to multiply. But here, by chance, both are possible to multiply. They are appropriate. Very simple concept there. Now multiply first AB. A is what? 2, 1, 1, 3. Here 2, 0. Now what I told you? First row, first column. What I told you? Cancel, no? Cancel. What is the answer? 2 are 4, 1 are 4. 4 plus 1. In this way. Next side. Next side. This way cancel, no? 2, 1, 0, 3. 2 into 0, 0, 1 disappear. 0. Next side. Cancel. Next is 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2 are 2, plus 3, 1 side. Next side. 1, 0 are 0, plus 9. You get answer? 5, 5, 3, 9. This is the first answer. Now BA is asking, B is what? 2, 0, 1, 3. Okay? 2, 1, 1, 3. The same thing. First row, first column, 2s are 4. Next element means, here next element. 0, 1 are 0. First row, second column. 2 1s are 2, plus 0 disappear. Next step. Second row, first column. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 1 1s are 1, plus 9. equal to 4, 5, 2, 10. Okay, from 1 to 2, AB not equal to BA. Verify AB equal to B asking. Here A and B with BA not equal. You get the answer? Next answer 4 to 5, 10. The first answer is what? 5, 3, 3, 9. That's why not equal. This answer. But 2 more percent. Therefore here AB is about 2 cross 2. BA is about 2 cross. That's it. Matrix is possible. Then only you want to multiply. Suppose not possible to multiply B. Simple answer is BA not divided. That's the answer. That's all. Now exam 3.69. A matrix B matrix is given. Show that A and B satisfy the commutative property with respect to matrix multiplication. Here you want to write the formula. Commutative property of matrix multiplication is AB equal to BA. Show that that's why to prove AB equal to BA. Sometimes that this is given. Here the commutative property that is AB equal to B. Now start with AB. This answer A with B, multiply A with B and B with A will be equal here. In general, AB not equal to BA, but this particular problem, both will be equal. Now the same thing, first row, first column. First row, first column. First row, first column. 2 to 4. Next say minus 2 root 2 into minus root 2. Minus into minus plus say 2 root 2 into root 2 and 2 is the 4. Next say first row, second column. 2 into 2 root 2, 4 root 2. Again minus 2 root 2 into 2 plus minus 4 root 2. Next say root 2 into 2, 2 root 2. Next say 2 into minus root 2, minus 2. Next is what? Root 2 into 2 root 2. Root 2 into 2 and 2 is the 4. 2 sub 4. In this way, you want to multiply 8 and 8, 0, 0. This is the first answer. Similarly, start with B. B is what? 2 root 2 minus root 2. If A is what? 2 minus root 2. Root 2 into 2. This is the same thing. First row, first column. First row, second column in this way. First row. This is the first row. Look at that. The first column. 2 into 2. 4. 2 root 2 into root 2. That is what? Root 2 into root 2. 2 and 2 is 4. So 4 plus 4. First row, second column here. Minus 4 root 2. Plus 4 root 2. Here. Minus root 2 into 2. That is what? 2 into minus 2. 2. Here. Minus and minus plus 2. Root 2 into root 2. Only 2. 2 is 4. 8, 0, 0. This is second answer. Now, from 1 to 2, AB equal to B. This is answer. Anyway, the last exercise, the matrix multiplication is very, very, very important. So many problems are there. Exercises and exam problem also is there. Usually, from this last exercise, 5 arguments are usually. In algebra, it's important concept for you and easy also. That's why the multiply is very, very important. Do the calculation by using first row, first column, first row, second column in this way. Today that's all.